So in just one day, he or she earns 20.8k in USD. Hey guys, today let's discuss the copy trading on DEX. My copy trades on what happens, like the past task and other strategy based from the trader's activity. And then again, this video is a global discussion. If you want to update the current subtitle, you can just click closed captions and then go to settings and select your preferred language, guys. So let's discuss this copy trading on DEX and my copy trades. So dito guys, I just recently ended yung pag-copy kay Jeju. And then we have profits dito na 28.04. Ito yung pinaka-total PNL natin. Ayan, yun yung pinaka-data, past orders, filtered records, trade records. Ayan, makikita natin dito. So sa past orders, yan yung mga trinade niya, may mga failed. We incur some gas fees dyan. Yan, ang daming failed, So isa ito sa mga downside, guys, sa copy trading. Like ito, we have this completed, pero sa mga failed kasi is that it will incur some small fees, and then kung ang daming mga failed dyan, ay doon ka magkakaroon ng loss, So ayan, mga failed, especially kapag sobrang liit na lang yung pinakasulana. Yun yung isa sa mga na-observe ko dito, guys, pero kahit papano is that we have some total PNL dito. Ayan, we have negative, guys, Hindi lahat ng copy trader dito is profitable, and hindi rin ibig sabihin na may profits ako dito is same din sa inyo, guys, So it's different scenario yan. So ngayon, like for example, 7 days, yan yung naging profits natin, 17.65. So 1 month, since I recently stopped muna, and then wala tayong open orders, So my copy trades, ayan, Jeju, we have 62 and 39 sell, and yung total PNL natin ito, For this one naman, ito is nag-take profit ito na trader, tapos naiwan yung past trades niya, we just manually close. Meron tayong profits na 58 cents dito, Pero if ever man na yung trader na naka-copy mo is that hindi siya totally profitable talaga, magre-reflect yan dito, yung pinaka-negative mo if i-end mo yung pag-copy sa kanya, So for now, let's discuss lang dito sa my leaderboard yung mga sniper, So isa ito sa mga active. For example, itong si Scented, 31 seconds ago, last activity niya. So yan yung isa din sa mga na-observe ko dito. Kapag active itong trader na ito is makikita mo rin yung kanyang performance, Pero to cross-validate yung performance, you can just select this trader and then yung past executions, Like for example, 3 months, ayan. So kahit pa paano ay profitable siya, guys, I think this one mas mataas pa ata kay Jeju yung kanyang 3 months PNL. Nasa 1.2M USD yan, guys, Ayan, So 1 month, yan yung naging realized PNL niya. 7 days, 3 days, 1 day, ayan, 1 day, 20k in 1 day, Itong si Scented. So in just 1 day, he or she earns 20.8k in USD. So isa ito sa mga sniper, And let's go back. Ayan. So sinort ko lang dito, guys, si sniper. Ayan, so makikita mo naman dito yung pinaka status ng kanyang activity. Ayan, So meron ulit siyang executions. And you can sort dito, guys, Ito si Scented number 1, pangalawa si Vastil, pangatlo itong si Jeju. Base yan dito sa kanilang 7 days PNL, So nakasort naman. You can see as well the spark lines within the 7-day PNL trend, 7-day profit rate. Nakikita mo dito. And then other details pa dito like volume, transactions, and last activity nga, guys, So you can just copy and then you can just renew lang. Magko-confirm lang yan dito sa account mo, and then just like for example 30 days update, and it will be enable lang, guys, So you can now copy, and so like for example 10% ng available Solana mo dito yung magagamit, and for example 5%, and you can just confirm, So ganun lang siya, guys, dito work, And please be mindful pa rin sa risk. Again, I'm just sharing my experience lang dito. Itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference. It doesn't qualify as an investment or financial advice, Hindi pa ako financial advisor, and I just want to share my experience lang dito. At the same time, masagot ko yung mga questions nyo dito, guys, So ganun lang ako dito mag-sort. Like I sort ng sniper, and then yung pagiging active nila dito. Since makikita naman dito sa my last activity, if kailan sila nagkaroon ng executions dito sa kanilang account, no? Like, sa dev naman, ayan, base yan sa 7-day PNL, no? Fresh is yung mga bago. Ayan, makikita natin dito. Pump Smart Money, influencers, ay makikita natin dito yung pinaka-status nila, guys, no? So, let's go back to Sniper. Still, ito yung pinaka-top, no? Within the 7 days PNL na nakasort dito. So, yun, guys. If you want to explore this copy trading on DEX, ilalagay ko na lang sa description ng video na ito yung pinaka-official global link nitong application na ginagamit natin. You can just explore. And kung meron pa kayong mga questions, feel free to comment lang sa comment section ng video na ito. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.